Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to be making smoked fish stew. So here I've already blended my tomatoes, my pepper and a whole onion. You'll find out I'm addicted to onions in my meals. So that's all blended nicely, and then I'm going to let that cook for a while without oil. So I just added groundnut oil to the mix so that it can just fry a little bit better and not stick to the pan, even though this is a non-stick pan. So we're just going to fry that down a little. Is very easy to know when your pepper is done, because even when you raise it on the spoon it will still be frying. So you're gonna fry that till it's dry before you add some spices. It depends on you, but I let it cook down a bit to dry down a little, then I add my spices. And in this we're going to be adding ginger. I'll probably write it in the description box. Very simple sauce, nothing complicated. I'm going to be adding special spice. I'm going to add yaji, I'm going to add curry, I'm going to add seasonings, because we're going to add a lot of water to this stew. So we're going to make sure that it's well seasoned so that the fish as well gets the sauce. So that's that. I'm just going to fry it down. This is the plastic spoon. I have no idea where I'm leaving it in the pan. Okay. All right, then I'm going to I'm just going to mix that in, and I'm going to let that cook for a while as well, and let it dry up a little bit more before I add the fish. So I'm going to put on water now so that I can wash the fish. I wash my fish with hot water and salt. I wash twice because I'm super paranoid about eating sand. I can't even stand it. But this fish was very clean. It was a gift. It was very clean. All I had to do was just wash twice, and then I'm just going to mix that into the stew. I'll let it cook a little bit. I at first I added half, and then I decided you only live once. I decided to pour the remaining fish and then let it cook for a while, and then I added water. So this water now is what's going to let the fish simmer properly and let all the stew sweet juices enter inside. So that's going to cook and cook well. I'm just going to let that see how beautiful that looks already. Oh, I'm excited. Funny enough, I'm not really like a dried fish person, but this fish was very nice. Like, okay, even though I made the sha, but it was very nice. So I'm just going to let this cook down. I'll just peel an onion, as I said earlier. Onions. I love onion rings in my food, so you can taste to see. I do not like to taste food. I always I always make sure that there's somebody around to taste the food for me, because this tasting food power, I'm not inside. So I'm just going to drop a few onion rings. Well, the whole onion. I'm just going to drop this quickly into the pot. I like to drop at the end so that they are not all soggy, and I can still feel them out eating. This sauce can be eaten with anything. You can eat this sauce with pasta. Sorry, the narrator rules this recording. Something else. See, look how good that looks. I'm so excited. You can eat this with anything. You can eat it with pasta. I've seen here. I made white spaghetti. And I'm also not a spaghetti fan. In fact, this whole recipe I did it for the good of my fans. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you try it. Please, if you do, tag me. My name is Mdevaan on Instagram, and there's the spelling of my name in the bottom right corner. Till next time, thank you so much for watching.